For all your plumbing needs and then some, turn to Liberty Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning. Recommended for more than 50 years, Liberty is the most trusted provider of plumbing, heating, and air conditioning services in Riverside County. Not to mention leaking detection, tankless water heaters, remodeling, sewers, and drain cleaning. Liberty Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning is family-owned and operated. Call 951-795-4659. Liberty's certified plumbers are available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Emergency service is their specialty.